In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message in Slack. Pinning is a simple way to keep important information, like meeting links, deadlines, or key decisions, easy to find for everyone in a channel. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Slack, then click the official Slack website to open it. If you're not already signed in, log into your workspace. If you already have Slack open, either in the browser or the desktop app, you can follow along from there. The process is the same. Once you're in Slack, open the channel where you want to pin something. This could be a team channel, a project channel, or any conversation that needs a quick reference point. Find the specific message you want to pin. It could be a message you wrote or one from a teammate. Hover your cursor over that message. You'll see a small toolbar appear to the right. Click the three dots icon, which opens the More Actions menu. In the menu, hover over the Organize section. From there, choose Pin to Channel. As soon as you do that, Slack will pin the message for the entire channel, and everyone with access to that channel can view it. You'll now find the pinned message in the channel's Pins section. If you want to see all pinned items, open the channel details and look for the Pins area. It's a handy list of everything that's been pinned in that conversation. If you ever need to unpin a message, the process is just as straightforward. Go back to the pinned message in the channel. Click the three dots icon on that message again to open the More Actions menu. Hover over Organize, then select Unpin from Channel. Slack will ask you to confirm. Click Remove Pinned Item to finalize it. The message will stay in the conversation, but it will no longer appear in the Pins section. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the option to pin, your workspace or channel permissions may restrict who can pin items. Check with an admin. Also, remember that pinning is channel-specific, so pins in one channel won't appear in another. And that's it. You've learned how to access Slack, choose a message, pin it to a channel for easy reference, and unpin it when it's no longer needed. This small habit can make your channels much more organized and your team more efficient.